Tea making is not a simple task. Hi guys, does anyone know how to make a tea? I hate the idea of making one.
What happened? What? Why are you speaking like this?
I just tried to make a simple tea and it was the biggest failure in the world. Can anyone please tell how to make a tea?
I will tell you how. If you know the definite proportions of the ingredients, it is the most easy beverage that can be made, and you made it so complicated. Haha. To make a tea, first you should take a vessel and add half cup of milk and the same amount of water and heat the mixture in the stove or in an electric kettle until it became hot. Now add 2 teaspoons of tea powder and stir it. Wait for a few minutes until the liquid becomes medium brown. See small bubbles forming and the tea rises at the top. Filter the tea into a cup using a filter. Now add some sugar that you need into your teacup and stir it well. Now your tea is ready.
Not only that, there are other important things too. Each ingredient in this beverage have a definite composition and it is so fun to study those. If you want, I can explain. Physically speaking, tea has both the properties of a solution and a suspension. It is a solution of all the water-soluble compounds that have been extracted from the tea leaves, such as the polyphenols and amino acids, but is a suspension when all the insoluble components are considered, such as the cellulose in the tea leaves. Caffeine constitutes about 3% of tea's dry weight, translating to between 30 to 90 mg per 250 milliliter cup depending upon the type and the brewing method. A study found that caffeine content of 1 gram of black tea ranged from 22 to 28 mg, while the caffeine content of 1 gram of green tea ranged from 11 to 20 mg. There are approximately 600 traces of aroma compounds in tea leaves. Some of them are lost and some of them are released during the manufacturing process.
You people are only thinking about the proportion and composition. There are still other things too. Why can't any of you think about its consumption? The moderate intake is healthy for most people. Drinking too much tea could lead to negative side effects such as anxiety, headaches, digestive issues, and disrupted sleep patterns. Most people can drink 3 to 4 cups of tea daily without adverse effects, but some may experience side effects at lower doses.
Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel.
In this video, you will be able to see some major consumption of tea all over the world. So let's go to our video. Turkey. Turkey is the world's most tea drinking country. with each Turk consuming an average of 1,300 cups per year. Turks consume around 3 to 5 cups of tea daily, while in winter this number increases to 10 cups. Black tea is the most popular hot beverage in Turkey. Iran. Tea is drink of choice in Iran. It is served for breakfast, lunch, dinner and all through the day. Tea found its way to Iran in the 18th century and soon became the national drink. Seeds from India were planted and cultivated in the northern Iran. Today millions of people work in the industry of tea. United Kingdom. Tea remains an iconic part of British culture with 50 billion cups drink a year. In Britain, the age groups between 35 to 45 drink most amount of tea. Black tea remains the hot favorite across all age groups. China. China is the largest exporter of tea. China consumes a total of 1.6 billion pounds a year. India. The consumption volume of tea in India was approximately 1 billion kilograms during the financial year 2009. Consumption of hot beverage has increased constantly throughout the years. India was the second largest producer of tea in the world after China.
India's consumption of tea. India is the world's largest tea drinking nation. However, per capita consumption of tea in India remains a modest 50 grams per person every year due to the high large population base and poverty levels. So, in 2019, nearly 1.10 million tons of tea was consumed in the country. The market in the country is going to witness a further growth in expansion of forecast of period 2020 to 25, growing at a CAGR amount of 4.2%, and in 2025, the India is going to attain 1.40 million tons. So guys, I hope you have understood the points. So thanks for watching it.